Hi, this is Akash Bethel, and welcome to another Made in Michigan Minute. I'm here with Mardal with Tri-Dragon Designs. So can you tell us a little bit about your products?
Basically, with my products, they're all one of a kind. I try and keep them very unique. I work with primarily, if not exclusively, gemstones, semi-precious stones, crystals. I use just a little bit of glass, just add a little more sparkle. Try and keep it fresh, unique.
So where can we find your products?
Basically, I'm starting the show circuit, different shows around locally with the Made in Michigan. Couldn't ask for a better venue. Shop local. There are several other fairs coming out soon with the summer weather coming up. I will be having a Facebook page for my designs, Tri-Dragon Designs, and you can see some of the new products and new events coming up.
Well, this has been Akash Bethel with another Made in Michigan Minute.